What's up guys, Kandy Man back. I'm going to do a video today. I got two new spray guns, the DV1s. I got the base coat gun and the clear coat gun. So just want to do a little review on these guns and how I think they work. DeVilbiss makes them, but they're really nice guns. Let me show you. So that's the base gun there. And that's the clear gun. They got the built-in regulator on them, all digital. And the air controls down here on the actual body of the gun, down here at the bottom. Turn that to adjust the air pressure and your normal pattern and fluid control. But really nice guns, well made. We'll see how they work. I set this one up with the 1.4 in it. I like a 1.4 because this thing atomizes really well for a gun. So I want a little more fluid, bigger droplet. And we'll try it out for the clear. And then also I got the DV1 base. This gun here is real good too, I hear, for the base coat. So I'm using the Techna Pro Lights at the moment, and the base coat DeVilbiss gun also. I got quite a few Technas, but these are the newest ones out. So these are supposed to be a big upgrade. They look like it. I've sprayed the DV1 for clear, but not with the 1.4 in it yet. So I'm hearing that changes the gun drastically. So just brand new guns. Wanted to show them off before they get dirty. You know, I use them every day, so I might as well show them to you before they're all dirty. But nothing like a brand new gun first time you use it. So I'm going to show you this, and we'll do a little spraying with them and see how they actually work out for me. So thanks for watching. Also, the nice thing about this gun is it comes with the fluid caps. You know, interchangeable fluid caps. It's got the 1.2, the 1.3, and the 1.4 on it. And you use the same air cap. You just change out the head, same needle and all that. So that's also good if you guys want to change up the, you know, the head on them. But I like a 1.4 right now. This clear I'm spraying is pretty high solids, but it's not extremely high, so I need something with more of a droplet. So I'm going with the 1.4 for the clear, and also I'm going to do the 1.4 with the base. But it comes with a wrench. It's got the heads and the different. It's got the adapter for the DeVilbiss cups, the D cups. But just thought I'd show you the way it comes in the box. But I'm looking forward to trying them out. So thanks again. What's up guys? So yeah, I put the first coat of base on. That thing's spraying phenomenal. It's got a giant pattern on it. It's laying like a real atomized coat down, even with the 1.4 that I put in it. So I think it's definitely good with the 1.4 for the base coat. And it's a heck of an upgrade from the Pro Light. You can definitely see they've dialed it in and got a better atomization on it. So I'm happy with it. I'm going to put another coat on and see that, and we'll see how it lays down. Should lay down good. We're spraying water-based, so it's not like solvent. It lays down flat pretty much no matter what, unless it's a silver. So tell on that part of it, but it looks like it atomizes it great. So we'll know later when we do more of a metallic color how it does for modeling and stuff like that. So, but so far so good with it, and we'll try the clear gun out next and see how that is. So I'm real happy with it so far. It's definitely worth it. DV1 has come a long way, and the Vilbus has always been a good gun, a stand-up gun, and it's always been a reliable gun. You know, they're pretty. I've been spraying with them for years. I got about 5 of them now, so we'll see if this one holds up as good as the Techna did, the Pro Light. But I'm sure they do, and if not, you know, the Vilbus, they'll always stand behind anything they got. They got good reps out here in my area, in the Tampa Bay, and they'll give you whatever you need to fix it. So it's good having a gun that's local, and it's also good having a gun that they'll replace anything you need on it, because the Iwata guys, they're good too, but they're hard to find. This guy that I deal with, he's local. He'll get up right on it. He'll get all the parts you need, and you'll be back up painting in no time. So I like the Vilbus at the moment. So thanks for watching. So that was the second coat of clear, and also the gun spraying it nice and flat. So it's different from what I'm used to. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I like Iwata for the clear coat, but I was trying this new gun out, and I think it's gonna be its replacement. It's laying a nice thin flat coat, and it's laying down nice and flat. So I just gotta get used to it a little bit and get it dialed in the way that I like to spray. Because, you know, I'm doing a lot of cars for the last 25 years. You get in the booth, you're so used to doing it with one gun. You go in with the next one, it's totally different. In about a week, you'll get the other one dialed in to where you're just comfortable. Go in and just spray it like normal. But right now, I got to go a little easy with this gun because it's new to me. And like I said, I've been painting for 25 years, and I'm turning quite a few hours a week out of this place. So it's definitely, I'm not just a guy that's painting 1 or 2 cars a day. I've been painting probably about 25, 30 cars a week for the last 20 years or better. So good gun, and seems like a solid gun. Time will tell on it, and we'll do a video in a little while later to see if it's still, my thoughts are still the same on it. But you know, when you get a new gun, it's almost like a little kid opening up a Christmas gift. You know, it's clean, nice, you like it, you play with it for a little while, and then you have your real thoughts on it. If you still have your favorite toy or not. But just something funny I thought of, guys. But thanks for watching the video, and the DV1 so far has got a good grading for me. So if you guys want to pick one up, and also if anybody else has one and they're dialing it in and they're spraying it a certain way with a certain air pressure, a certain fluid adjustment in the pattern, leave some comments down below on how you like it and how you're actually spraying it to give me some help on it, being I'm new to this gun. So thanks for watching, guys.